Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 9 SE, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all, we will open the settings, I mean the eye comfort section, and there we will customize it, and after that I'll show much faster access to it. So first of all, as I said, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on the display and brightness. As you can see in the view mode, on the second position we've got the eye comfort mode option, so the option we are looking for. So let's tap on it, and here we've got, let's say, 2 or 3 different options to customize. So for example, we can schedule that feature or enable all day. So by picking the option enable all day, it means that you will have to turn it on and off manually whenever you want to. But if you would like to schedule it, just tap on the switcher, and as you can see, you will be able to pick the start time and end time. So let me pick, for example, like, I don't know, maybe 3 o'clock, and the end time around 9 o'clock. So let's tap on OK, and as you can see, the screen turned yellowish, and of course it is because we are between the start and end time. This color, I mean a yellowish color, will prevent your eyes, I mean the eye pain, so it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light, and it will simply filter the blue light. What's more, let me actually turn it off and keep it enabled all day. And as you can see, here we've got the filter level, so you can adjust the intensity of that feature. Just by going to the left you can make it cooler, and by going to the right you can make it much warmer. So it's of course up to you which option, which customization is more comfortable for you. So basically this is the whole customization of this feature, and now let me show you how to, maybe the faster access to it. All you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar and unroll it fully. Unroll this section fully, and as you can see here we've got the eye comfort icon, which is right now turned on. So in order to turn it off, just tap on it, and as you can see, the screen will immediately go back to its normal state, and just by tapping on it again you can turn it on. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode in your HUAWEI Nova 9 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.